Dear student, uh, the topic of today class is taxonomic system. In previous class, we have discussed about identification, nomenclature, classification, and documentation of the plant taxonomy. And now this class, we will discuss about a taxonomic system, taxonomic hierarchy, and taxonomic systemic questions of each and individual genus and each and individual family and each and individual species. Just like there are two type of kingdom. Major there, although there are three type of kingdom, just like Animalia, Plantae, and microbes, but yet there are major and dominant of the earth. There are two type of kingdom always dominant on earth, just like plant kingdom, which is called Plantae, and animal kingdom that's called Animalia. However, there are the plant kingdom which is divided into division, and animal kingdom which is divided into phylum. Further on, just like kingdom Plantae. Plantae is differentiated into two type of sub kingdom, just like Thelophyta and Cormophytes. Either it is cryptogams and phanerogams. All cryptogams are thelophyte. Crypto means uh, plant body which doesn't bear flower, and phanerogams which always bears flower. ऐसे प्लांट ग्रुप जो फ्लावर बियर करते हैं, जिन पे पुष्प आता है, उनको फेनेरोगेम्स में इंक्लूड किए गए हैं। जबकि ऐसे प्लांट जिनमें पुष्प नहीं आता है, फ्लावर बियर नहीं करते हैं, दे ऑल आर कॉल्ड क्रिप्टोगेमस। अब क्रिप्टोगेमस में भी रिमेनिंग बात करते हैं, तो क्रिप्टोगेमस भी थैलोफाइट एंड नॉन थैलोफाइट। द प्लांट which are non-thelophyte are generally called cormophytes. Thelophytes are further differentiated into further taxonomical division and taxonomical system, which are called classes. Classes means either it can be, if we can talk on about dicotyledons, then thelomyphlory, disciplory, and calciplory is a special type of series, and after series the class is monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Monocotyledons and dicotyledons के बाद में अगर अपन बात करते हैं ऑर्डर की, तो डिफरेंट सीरीज है, सो मैनी टाइप ऑफ ऑर्डर। जस्ट लाइक we can talk about Malvaceae family, then the order of that family is Malvaceae. Is it just like Bryophyta? We are talking on Brassicaceae family, and the order is that family is Brassicaceae. Either we can discuss about Solanaceae family, the order of that family is Solanaceae, and the family is just more a typical and collectively group of same characters, same affinities, and same evolved from phylogenetic. Their phylogenetic history is called family. Genus is a plant, a plant group of 100% same character, similar characters, and species is just like a interbreedable, just like a small group that can breed among themselves are called species. Now, in next slide, what are kingdom? Kingdom is the highest level of classification. It is also present in animal and as well as in plant kingdom. After kingdom, there is division. What is division? Division is a number of groups in this taxon is not fixed. In so many groups, so many similar subdivisions, so many similar classes, and so many similar series also can occur in this group. It depends on the classification system, which type of classification system is adopted in this system, and this is always depend on that. Based on the similar characters observed on a few elements or organs, either they are dominant character, they may be dominant character of that division, just like sporophyte, gametophyte, cormophyte, thelophyte, presence of an ovule, seeds covered by ovary wall, or naked seeds. There are several morphological and anatomical characters are there to explain the division. After division, those are hereditary characters and will continue to exist from generations to generations. They are called plastic character, and plastic character are also characteristic feature of division. After division, we will discuss on class. The number of groups in this taxon is not fixed. Also not fixed in class. There are not, they are not also fixed on division, but they are also fixed in class. Depends on the classification system, separated on the base of important basic difference that exist between the two groups. And order is the separation on the base of one or more than one character conveying genetical relationship, or they represent a phylogenetic relation which earlier had been detected on the base of class and division level. What about family? Family is the base on more characteristic compared to the order, class and division. Example, the morphological characters of the reproductive organs, just like inflorescence, position of ovary, hypogamous, epigamous and perigamous of flower, type of placentation, number of pistils and pollens, carpels and type of carpels, and endosome. The morphology of endosome, the number of numerics of endosomes are also base of the family. And after family, the genus that involve more similar character, including a closer family relationship, but they do not cross. If a hybrid cross does not occur, the offspring are normally infertile, or always stand in genus. This is the major difference between genus and species. The species are always interbreedable, आपस में जन्म कर सकती है, बट जीनस कभी भी आपस में रिप्रोडक्टिव टैक्सॉन्स नहीं होते हैं. फाइलोजेनेटिकली न्यू जीनस arises from separate form and the same parents are origin. They may be parents may be same of genus, but they are originated from different species. After genus, we will talk about kingdom. The major and popular kingdom system, which was propagated by Whittaker in 1969, that was five kingdom system. Although there are two kingdom system, what are there in two kingdom system? There are Plantae and Animalia. The major two kingdom are there. That's why it is called two kingdom system. Two kingdom system was propagated by Copland. Then three kingdom system was always occurs with Plantae, Animalia and microbes. Two kingdom system was given by then the four kingdom system which was uh, Plantae, Animalia, microbes and fungi. And after that, the Protista that was converted in that system, Protista, Monera, fungi, Plantae, and further after the Whittaker given five kingdom system which play a major role, and most popular adapted kingdom system which was given by Whittaker is five kingdom system. There are first kingdom system which is called Monera. Monera includes bacteria and all prokaryotes. After that, Protista are alga, protozoa and all eukaryotic organism. Then fungi is special type of plant group which is lacking of chlorophyll, and a special type of cell wall which is called chitin, fungal cellulose, and a special that is anaerobic type of respiration. They never do photosynthetic. That's why this group is called heterotrophic group. And unique and typical group which was exposed by the Whittaker as a different or isolated group, and which was created by Whittaker, and that is mycota and fungi. This absorb food. The method of the inhalation of food is only absorption in the liquid form. Then plant is always autotrophic group which always do photosynthesis, and Animalia is always heterotrophic group But the mode of nutrition in Animalia is ingest food. The major difference between fungi and Animalia, both are heterotrophic group, but major difference between fungi and Animalia is fungi absorb the food, but Animalia ingest the food, digest करते हैं, ingest करते हैं. In the form of plant, we can discuss the major groups of plants. First groups are Bryophyta. Bryophyta are non-vascular plant. In generally, in common name, that is called mosses. Then after Bryophyta, there are Pteridophyta. Pteridophytes are fern group, vascular groups, and first vascular plant they arises on earth. Just like Bryophyta, Bryophyta are amphibians of the plant kingdom. They are first terrestrial group. They complete their life cycle, some part of life cycle on earth or on soil. That's why this and remaining parts on water. That's why this group is called amphibian of the plant kingdom. After amphibian of the plant kingdom, the second group, which is called Pteridophyta, which is first vascular plant group arises on earth. The group have bears, spores, and leaf. First leafy group on the evolution pattern of the earth was Pteridophyta. After Pteridophyta, there are Pinophyta. Pinophyta have include some conifers. Conifers means gymnosperm. Gymnosperm that is like gymnosperm that bear cone-like structure, and they have their gametophytic stage which is converted into cone. It may be female cone and female cone also. Pinus is seeds, and the seeds is always present in cones. Just like ginkgo phyta, the ginkgo is there, fan-like structure. Leaf of that group is morphological. Morphological, it is fan-like structure. Then Cycadophyta, the cycus is present in the air. That is palm, and palm-like structure. Leaf is also like a palm and cascade. And Nitophyta, nitum is vessels, that only group that have vessels. And Megaliniophyta, they all are called flowering group. Flowering group, there are two type of flowering group. On the phylogenetic basis, there are two type of flowering group: Megalinopsida and Liliopsida. Magnoliopsida is dicot group, and Liliopsida is further that are called monocotyledons. Just like they converted into monocot and dicot. Monocot have single cotyledons in this group, and dicot have two cotyledons in group. Further, the natural and practical classification of the major plant groups are called major and most evolved plant groups are called Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta is a group that bears seed. We include in the Spermatophyta either angiosperms and gymnosperms. After Spermatophyta, there are Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta is a fern group that a little small non-flowering groups. It bears spores and sporangias. Then after the last evolved group is Bryophyta. Bryophyta are mosses. They are uh, moist and shaded habitat. And yeah, after Bryophyta, there is Thallophyta. Thallophyta means plant which have plant body like thallus, single, Thallophyta, unicellular Thallophyta maybe are there. First of all, we are there to classify. In the BSc part second, there are Spermatophyta are major part of their syllabus, and we will discuss about what are Spermatophyta. Spermatophyta are generally gymnosperm and angiosperm. Generally, angiosperm and gymnosperms are placed in the group of Spermatophyta. We can talk about angiosperm. There are two type of classes are there: dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Dicotyledons have include all type of plant. They have two type of cotyledons in their seed and seedlings. Seedlings means first germinated plant, and after germination they bear. There are two type of cotyledons in that stage of seedlings, and in respect of monocotyledons, there is only single cotyledons are there in monocotyledons. We can discuss about dicotyledons. So many families are there, just like Crucifery, Malvaceae, Euphorbiaceae, Solanaceae, Leguminaceae, Rutaceae, Malvaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Asteraceae, Compositae, all families are be included in dicotyledons. Dicotyledons are also differentiated into three type of series: Thalmiflory, Disciflory, and Calciflory. After before of it, Thalmiflory, Disciflory, and Calciflory, it is differentiated into polypetally and gamopetally. Polypetally means the plant they have free of petals. uh, they in flower is modified shoot. There are four necessary organs, four necessary parts are there in flower. It is differentiated into two and two bases. Two are accessory parts and two are necessary parts. Accessory parts are calyx and corolla. Calyx is called sepal and corolla is also called petal. Just like endoecium and gynoecium are necessary part, and necessary part has completed the structure of flower. So the dicotyledon is first differentiated into polypetally and gamopetally, or just like monocotyledons are differentiated in Rupami, Gramineae, Musaceae, Gingiberaceae, Orchidaceae, and Cyperaceae. Classification of the hierarchy. What are hierarchy of classification? Hierarchy of classification is all will always stand just like kingdom, division, classes, order, family, and genus. That's called the hierarchy of classification. Next class tomorrow we will discuss about the all details about classes, division, classes, orders, and so on. Thanks to all.